this is Cat336B, y'all. I'm gonna do just a little show of my Lego crayon. It came in a package, but there's some things I've added to it that didn't come with it. You got your grab hook in right there, cab, 4 axles, and you got your crayon. Gotta take this little bookshelf out. There we go. The crayon swivels 360. Except there's a little click in there. And usually this thing goes on here. It's supposed to stay on there. So
you give us a call, you phone in, you sing your favorite Christmas carol on the air.
Yeah, it goes on like that.
Each of the 6 days we're going to give away a Harvest Meats gift basket.
And there's that little block goes right there. I made this for this morning.
Start that coming up December the 7th. Look on the calendar, starting Monday.
Right there.
So think of your favorite Christmas carols. Sing them for us, and again, you
But
can
I
walk
can't get
away
it on right now. Just hold on a second. Give me one more chance.
gift baskets, courtesy of Harvest Meats and the Best Mix. Fox FM. It's going to be a lot of fun starting this Monday. Just one of our many Christmas contests we got going on. Stick around. We got your weather details on the way and music still to come from Train. And we're back with music. Yes, good stuff on the way
here.
from Owl
And
City.
I just wanted to have it like that because I don't. It would be more regular. I don't see a bunch of crayons, and the ones I do see are like this. I've never got that. And that's what I made this morning. Oh, the spare parts of it out. Okay. And I got something else. Just a little backhoe I made too. I made some attachments for it, but it came in a Lego kit. You got your bucket, and there's my boom. Oops. Oh. Hold on. What's that one for me, folks?
Visit Merv's Audiotronic in Swan River or call toll-free 1-877-734-3252.
I'm having issues with this stuff this morning.
I'm Dr. David Butler Jones,
And there, bucket, and I made attachments for it, and it goes swivels 360. And I used to have a smokestack till I dropped it going down the stairs into my basement. But then there's backup lights and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.